lives.
Okay.
I don't do the respawn thing. You have 3 lives.
Yeah. Cool.
All right. We start here. There is an object. 3 total. There's 1 here, 1 on Sawmill, 1 at Crack House, and then there's the airplane. Their object is to get all this shit to the airplane and get it into the nose of the airplane. Here, that building right there, the last building in yellow, there's an ammo box with a wristband on it. That's what they have to get. On Sawmill, does everybody know where the attic building is?
Yeah.
That little shack? It's on the 2nd floor in there. And then the Crack House is in the back room. When they come up here, they have to get that. That's our spawn point. If they get that, we have to go up there. You can't respawn there. You can stay here if you want and shoot people in the back, whatever. But once you die, if they got that box, you have to go spawn up there. So on and so forth. You're spawning at your box. They don't know that.
Do they know where the boxes are?
No.
No.
Okay, so
They
they
don't know where they are.
have to capture this one first before they can move
Yeah.
to the next one?
Not only that, they have to take that box
And bring it to
and
that box.
take it to that
Sniper.
box. That box has to be
The
taken to
red
the
house
next
to
box,
sniper
and then they have to
money.
take them all. If you shoot them while carrying the box, they have to drop it.
Yep. Okay.
So
And they have to retrieve it. We're not touching the boxes. You can just
guard them.
that on the box. 3 lives here. Once you're
He'll
dead,
do what he wants.
go up there,
He'll do what he
3 more
wants.
lives?
and you have 3 more lives.
Cool.
Once you're dead there, Crack House, 3 more lives. Once you're dead there, Crash Site, 3 more lives.
This is gonna be so much fun.
They're starting at Counter-Strike. They're starting at Greenhouse on Counter-Strike.
Okay.
I'm guessing they don't.
And all they
What
know
was the-
is
what was the 3rd box?
they've got
Look
something to
for
retrieve
boxes.
here.
Where was
and
the
something
3rd
to
box?
retrieve there.
One right
and
here,
there,
one over there, and then there's one.
And Crash said it's not.
Pretty much they have to
Yeah,
clear
but
it.
Our spawn point
They
is
gotta
where the
take
box
up around
is on
Crash
each
Site.
map.
Yeah, where's the 3rd?
One here.
Except for the last map, which
One-
is Crash Site. The
Those
shack
and Crack
in the
House.
back, that's our spawn point. They have
There.
to get the
Oh,
box
other ones,
on
okay.
There.
Alright.
And then Crack House.
I didn't hear the Crack House one.
That's
Okay.
pretty much it.
Just one question. Basically, when they grab it, they get their box. Are you calling that they have it?
Sure.
Yeah.
All the
That way
colors.
we know to spawn at our next.
Yeah.
Also,
okay.
Yeah, you say town spawn has been captured.
There we go.
I have water, so if you feel tired, just call yourself out or something. Come over to me. I'll give you some water, whatnot.
I'll hose you down.
And then,
I actually brought water good ammo. I was like, this is gonna be a long.
Hey guys, can we
anybody
stack
familiar
a
with
bunch of
the
people up on
free-to-play
casino, like
rules
second
for
floor
when we
casino
play
style?
here? We're gonna do that for this initial start off, and then
We can't go past a certain point. We could deploy anywhere in town.
Yeah.
There's nobody in hotel, right?
They don't like us to do that, so I'll just continue that. So
Right.
don't go into hotel, and you can get in that last row of red buildings, and then don't go past the trench in the graveyard until Sawmill opens. If you hear him say, "We just lost the spawn point," then you can go in the graveyard then. Sound like a plan? Well, that's pretty much it.
What? Follow me!
Way better.
This blinking?
Yes.
Okay. Hurry up, I ain't got all day. Three, 2, 1. You see him anywhere? Yeah. They all went left apparently though.
They have an open pathway over there.
I'm gonna go left for a little bit, I guess.
2 lives.
Yeah, they're taking middle hard. Yeah, I know. They're taking middle pretty hard. Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Get it out.
Hey, I'm gonna go in here. Cover. Can't shoot left-handed? Goodbye. You see that beautiful? That was beautiful. That's not right to the crack. You better move. Go, go, go. You good? You good? You good? Alright, peek out that way or
Oh, my
something.
battery's dead.
Oh. Great.
Good job, Casa.
Right in my face. Nice one.
Hell yeah, bro.
Woo!
Oh,
Quick draw helps out.
my gun was dead, so I was like,
Hold up, hold up. I'm gonna go. Let's go look. Let's go look if they did. Did they? Did they get it? Did they get it?
It's still in there.
Okay. You know you can respawn here, right?
hey, we're getting fish from
Marcus, Marcus.
Yeah!
Hey, hey, you're dead. Cody. Yeah, I got you.
Where?
I got you right on the shoulder, right here. Yeah, I'm sure. Woo! It got ripped. It just bounced right off. You see that? Oh, that hurt. Yeah, that was full auto. I need to change mags. Check behind. You do behind us. We don't have anybody.
From the last one.
They're pushing, out core! Cody, they're in the next room, there's one in the next room. I know! Alright. Come to you. They're in the next room. Hold on, they're on our right.
Good.
Hey, Casa.
You got it.
Yeah, man, coming out.
Good kill. I have one more life and they're still here though. They don't know that. Watch it. Shoot him. I know.
They don't know this is a
I know. Hey, you're done, Jed. Good shot. I'm dead.
Clear! Leon, I got him! We're good! Let's
staring at an enemy, but he's not seeing me. And I'm not even that camouflaged. Like, I'm not joking, he can know me if he saw me.
I'm pushing buttons right now.
I'm so uncomfortable.
No, they don't. I moved, remember?
Left side of the front door.
I'm right side.
Last 30 seconds very well. Thing is, there's 2 minutes left in a 1 hour game. I wish. Picture.
No shit,
On
mate.
3. Defenders rule. 1,
Don't pull the
2,
trigger.
3.
Defenders rule!